Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Calculus graphs can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. We need to identify the original function and its first and second derivatives correctly. Start by looking at graph 1. Notice it has local extrema where graph 2 crosses the horizontal axis. This suggests that graph 2 is the derivative of graph 1. Let's go! Next, check graph 2. It has a local maximum exactly where graph 3 crosses the x-axis. This confirms that graph 3 is the derivative of graph 2. You are doing great! Since graph 2 is the derivative of 1 and 3 is the derivative of 2, the sequence is perfect! Option A is our winner! Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust the given information and check your steps.